All right, this story talks about a recent controversy this week regards to Jamaican fishermen who alleged some abuse by the U.S. Coast Guard. So here's the end result. There's a follow-up to the story. So, at least 4 of the 5 fishermen who were detained by the United States Coast Guard between 2017 and 2018 after being held in Haitian waters were deported to Jamaica last year. This was disclosed by Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, according to questions from opposition senators K.D. Knight, Lambert Brown, and Senate yesterday. Johnson-Smith said that the ministry had confirmed records that the men were deported from the U.S. in 2018. However, she said that while as a matter of record which her ministry had obtained after inquiring about the status of the men, there was no record of any complaint made by them to the local authorities since their return last year. She said the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is making inquiries of other relevant agencies and departments as there is a case before the court in the United States through which they are seeking justice. Quote unquote, we have the government our side of making inquiries because we do not know enough, she told the Senate. However, she said that she had decided to make a statement to the Parliament to ensure that the people of Jamaica know that the government is looking into the matter. Alright, well, that remains to be seen whether or not they're telling the truth on that, but let's keep going. In an effort to ascertain what had happened to the men between September 2017 and last year when they deported to Jamaica, Observer learned that the U.S. Coast Guard, which picked them up, was operating under the Maritime Drug Law Enforcement Act that allows them to stop, search, and seize contraband and illicit drugs on the high seas. The Coast Guard has admitted that they saw the men throwing things overboard from the vessel when they approached. No illicit drugs are found when they searched the vessel. However, the men were taken to Florida where they were detained for 32 days by the Coast Guard. The Observer understands that they were detained for a long period by immigration authorities before being deported to Jamaica. However, no complaints were made to local authorities on their return. Quote unquote, well, I've seen a video which a fisherman concerned cited experience of shocking treatment during an extended period of detention that will amount to human rights abuse. The allegations are serious concern to the ministry as rights of Jamaicans at home and abroad are of paramount importance to the government of Jamaica, the minister said in her statement to the Senate yesterday. We know that American Civil Liberties Union has agreed to provide the men with legal representation, that the matter is now before court law in the United States. So that justice will deliver through the process. Again, that's 50-50. Quote unquote, we're investigating the situation with our consulate in Miami and other relevant government agencies as we seek to learn more about the case. But to date, have not discovered any record or complaint being reported to the consulate or the headquarters in Kingston, she said. Johnson-Smith used the opportunity to remind fisherfolk that when incidents such as these occur, the reports about maltreatment should be taken to the nearest consulate or high commission. On their return brought to attention of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. This is whether there's a deportation hand or not. All right. And the article. So basically, as I said in a nutshell, 5 fishermen claimed that they were abused by U.S. Coast Guard when they were detained. And again, there's this ongoing controversy. And Kamina Johnson-Smith, and it just seems like she's doing damage control. I mean, I haven't seen the video myself. I don't know the whole facts of this, but this doesn't look good. And I can say if the fishermen's claims are true and they're abused, right, and there's proof. Again, I haven't seen the video. If anyone has seen this video, please let me know. All right. All I can say is I hope justice is done. All right, and that they're not just going to cover up and protect the people who alleged this stuff to them. Again, whether or not the fishermen are guilty or whatever, I don't know all the facts, but hopefully we'll learn more facts that there's not a cover up. All right, so that's pretty much all I can say at this point. So this is going to stay to Jamaica and the Caribbean. Check my other YouTube pages, Miles Goose and Farron, Miles Productions. All right.